Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what we got going on for you guys is a nice early pair review right here. You know, we got the Supreme SBs coming later this year. Well, I got one of them right here, and we're going to be discussing what they look like, just some of the details we got with them. I'll show you all the insoles and, well, pretty much everything we got with this sneaker. This is the Ocean Fog colorway, so keep in mind that is this, well, nice little blue one we got right here. So there we go. And we're going to get into it. So if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, just trying to 300 likes in this video. Just let me know y'all want more early reviews. If y'all want more, then hit that like button and I'll be sure to deliver. And you guys can also check me out. My Instagram's down below. I actually have a size 9 in these for sale, so if anybody's interested, just shoot me a DM and you can see all the other stuff I got for sale on my store. I mean, from designer wallets to, you know, just clothing pieces to sneakers, some of the recent releases. So yeah, you can see we got a few around us, so check it out. And of course, us down below at Resale Vision. Don't forget, we do undermarket sneakers every single day. As you guys can see, some of the recent ones we've done. We'll be dropping more a little bit later tonight, probably like late tonight, but it is Saturday, so you know, folks usually stay up a bit more, helps us, and we usually leave them open until the morning. So that's aside from the point. All in the pinned comment. Let's get into it. So, normal sale box, one of the first things I want to get into right there, but keep in mind for this, I just have the sneaker right now, and, well, the tag and everything else. So, we'll show you all that, but keep in mind, you know, they could switch it up, could be a unique box or something like that. Maybe they end up doing an F&F pair. We'll have those details soon as, you know, get closer to the release date for these, which we don't have an exact date yet. We just, you know, again, kind of have like the season or, you know, idea of when it will be, which is either going to be this spring or in the fall season. So 2025, you know what I mean? Let me get these out though. So taking a look at the sneaker right here, here is the one. I'm going to grab the other one in a second because we do have some extra laces with these. Actually, let me show you all that first. So the extra laces we got with these, we also have a black pair. Again, works perfect. Absolutely perfect. You know what I mean? Has the classic world famous right there. I don't know if that's going to focus. Here, let me get my face out of the way. Then it'll focus better. But you guys might be able to see that. It says world and then famous. That's just, you know, typically, you know, normal Supreme edition. I think it's just the black laces with these. I'm not seeing any other ones. Of course, you also got a blue pair, which is on them. But let me get into showing you all the actual sneaker a little bit more. So first things first, with the shoe, one of the main things I have to say right off the bat is the suede material they chose to use is perfect. I mean, check out, I love that toe box right there. Just kind of a nice little black suede. Matches very, very well off, again, that kind of lighter blue colorway, the 94 for, obviously, again, Supreme's founding year, 1994. So that's a pretty obvious addition right there. And of course, the tag we got on these, as you guys can see, little, you know, like almost a metallic. It's actually kind of like a silver lining right there. So really, really nice that they decided to use a little bit of a silver color right there. I thought that was pretty cool. And of course, the insoles, y'all can see these beaming through. It's just, you know, classic red for Supreme. I'll take those out in a second and show you guys those in full. And of course, the hang tag as well that we got with these Nike SB and Supreme. We've seen this with a couple collaborations before, I believe. I don't think this is a first time thing, but pretty nice they have this with some lows. And I mean, this is probably, other than the purple one, probably my favorite colorway. So honestly, you know, I might be keeping that size 9. We'll have to see because it is my personal size. And you guys can see there's the embroidery back there by the heel. But hey, if anybody has a good offer, let me know. Just know they're not cheap right now. So hopefully that is understandable. And man, just take a look at that right there. So these, keep in mind, this is the Ocean Fog one. This is one of the 4 ones we're going to be seeing. There's yellow and black one, an all white pair, a purple and green pair, and then, well, this one right here. So that is going to be a set of 4 SB Dunk Lows. Keep in mind, this was something I was saying in a recent video. If you don't like these, don't worry. There's 3 other ones, you know what I mean? And if you don't like, you know, like there's 4 options, you know what I mean? If you don't like one of them, then yeah, you got to get that figured out, you know what I mean? But hey, you might just not be an SB Dunk Low fan, or, you know, you're just not a fan of, you know, like there's plenty of reasons. I'm not really trying to point or pick out, or, you know, be like, hey, you're being too picky, anything like that. But also another thing we can say about the sneaker, very well, I mean, that's just the word I can use. Very well padded, you know what I mean? Like, there's lots of, it looks like a very comfortable SB Dunk Low. Like, you can definitely feel it, like, right here. Would be a very comfortable sneaker to wear. And, of course, whenever you get a shoe that's, like, all suede like this, it just, you know, it just, like, molds to your foot really well, if that makes sense. So, yeah, you know, this is going to be one of those shoes that a lot of people like for the personal collection because, A, they're going to be super comfortable, and B, I mean, yeah, it has a Supreme name behind it, so some people, you know, will care about that. And, I mean, that's the reason they're going to go for more, you know what I mean? It's a set of 4. They're all probably going to be very limited. I mean, you got them doing 4 SB Dunk Lows. That just means that they're going to have to spread out how many they make across 4 pairs. So there's not going to be a lot of stock. So these will be pairs that will probably go for a lot right off the bat. So that's just one thing I want to mention. Hopefully that makes sense right there. And there's the soles that we got on these, just some black soles, so you guys can see that. And, of course, can't forget to show you all that. There you guys can see it says Supreme. I lift up the tag a little bit right there, but there you guys can see Supreme right there, and on the other side it says that as well, so just keep that in mind. Just thought I would show that right there, because obviously any part, you know, that's going to show Supreme on the sneaker, people are probably going to be interested in seeing that. And I believe it's on the inside. Yeah, it's on the inside of the sneaker as well, so you guys can see that and that right there. So it's on the inside and also on, well, the outside of the shoe right there. And I really like the 94, how that's embroidered, just kind of a white and black 94. Looks really good, you know what I mean? Again, it fits well because you got that silver outline on the embroidery, which is there on the heel. And not only is it on the heel, it's on the tongue tag. So everything just matches and fits together really, really well in this pair in particular. And same with all the other ones. Like, all the other 4 ones have these same details. They're just a different colorway. So keep that in mind. If you just need to see what these are really going to be looking like, here's what these SB Dunk Lows are going to be looking like. Just maybe it's a different colorway if you're interested in, again, some of the other ones we got. But they're all going to be made of the same stuff, except for, I could be wrong on this, I also have access to the white pair in 9, 9.5, and 11. If anybody's interested, hit me up, the all-white one. I'm not sure if those are all suede or if they are leather. I'm going to get a closer look soon. But I haven't been able to tell from the photos like super well. There's actually been some better ones that have leaked recently, so like I'll just put that information on the screen right now. You know, if I just take a look a little bit later today when I'm editing this. But yeah, that's, you know, what I know right now. So hey, if you're interested, hit me on my IG. But that's what I can say again about the upcoming Supreme SB Dunk Low Ocean Fall we are going to be seeing. So keep that in mind. Just, I like these. I like these a lot. This is absolutely one I'm going to be making sure I have my money ready to add to the personal collection, because I just like it. It's a unique pair, slick colorway. Of course, I'm from Carolina, so, you know, any kind of light, you know, close to Tar Heel blue, you're going to be winning me over a little bit right there. So, yeah, that's what I can say. And I like the tag with them, too. A little cool, unique addition. So, let me show you all the insoles with these two, then we'll do some B-roll shots. So, one sec. Let's get these out. I'll just take this one out right here. So I'll take the other one out in a sec, but I mean, this just gives you a general idea of what they look like, excuse me. So you can just see it's Supreme's name, just cut off a bit, and then, well, the Nike SB logo. So they basically just threw 2 logos together, and then they put them on that red Supreme colorway. And that matches, again, I like this. I think this looks good. Maybe I'm wrong, but I like this right here. So yeah, this will probably be something like, you know, we'll definitely add these in the thumbnail, you know what I mean? They pop. But yeah, that's what I could say. I like this. If they did a red and white, now this was a missed opportunity in my opinion. A red and white pair, something like where the insoles would have matched like the outside of the pair type thing. Like if they had done red and white, like white swoosh, red pair, like, hey, I'm just saying, I saw some potential right now just looking at this with that idea. So they could have done that, but I'm not knocking. I like all 4 of the colorways. I'll be copping at least one of them, you know what I mean? Probably these ones, though. This is absolutely my favorite one out of these sets. So that is what I can say about the Ocean Fall SB. Let's do some B-roll shots, show all the insoles, everything else a little bit more in depth, just with kind of like a nicer panned out look on them. And yeah, just closer up. Man, yeah, these are cool. I like them. So let's continue. So again, I'm not going to put the extra laces in the B-roll shots, but as you can see, they're just black, and there you go. World famous. Hopefully, I don't know if that's showing. Yeah, it is. There you go. World and that one famous. Hopefully, you can see it. They're nice little black laces. I like them. Great addition. Fits perfectly with the pair. You got black suede on them, so why not? This works. So let's now get into it. I'm interrupting myself.
Sticks made a bucket hit.
Anyways, y'all, that is it for, sorry, I thought the camera wasn't recording for a sec, but that's it for this video, man. Let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair. Okay, the lighting's good here. I should have just done it right here. I literally spent 10 minutes trying to figure out a good place for these, but, I mean, take a look again. Very nice pair. Gonna be coming soon. Y'all can see a little Nike swoosh. I love the blue and black contrast. For me, that's a win. And I'm going to be going for these 100%. So let me know how y'all are feeling about this pair. And if you guys want more early pair content, feel free to subscribe and like down below, man. I was trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more. But hey, shout out to my buyer. These are going out. If not tonight, it's going to be going out Monday morning. First thing, 2-day air. So you're going to have them by, again, Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. So yeah, that's really what I got to say about these. Very, very clean pair. And yeah, I look forward to the release, which is going to be coming soon. You can see we got the tag with them. And overall, just a nice sneaker. Good soles on them too. Those match as well. So yeah, again, feel free to check me out. My Instagram's down below as well. I'm always buying, selling, trading. So if anybody needs, I got a size 9 of these as well. So feel free to hit me up. That's actually the only size I got left. So let me know. And also got the white pair of 9, 9.5, and 11. So feel free to hit me up. Any interest in those. And just see what I got for sale on my story. And also Resale Vision down below. You guys can see some of the deals we've done recently on the screen right there. We do under market kicks every single day. So if that's something you're into, getting deals, check us out below. And we're going to be doing a raffle for the white cement 4s. Those are coming soon. So we're going to be doing one, doing a little early pair thing. You know what I mean? So hey, if you want to get in on that, make sure you guys join down below and do not miss out. And that's everything we need to say. So let me know how y'all are feeling about this sneaker right here. Hopefully that's focusing. There we go. That's focusing now. So let me know how y'all are feeling. Coming soon. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. That'll be tomorrow. Leave your thoughts below and see you guys then. Again, I'm loving these. So releasing soon. We'll see y'all then when they do drop. But another video tomorrow. We're getting off topic. I never know how to film a proper outro. See y'all then. All right. Nah, yeah, it's hard for me to do the peace sign with the shoe in my hand. All right. Peace.